Thank you everybody for listening. This has been our large picture moral journey on how to input self-care into our New Year's resolutions and therefore achieve something very sustainable. We have went through the process in general of reflection, of emotion, of changing mindset, of creating aligned action, and also then of being. This has been a very shaping, reorienting, regrowing, artistic, expressive experience that allows us to discover who we are more fully and therefore become more healthy. It's very important to keep in mind that health is not an action, it is not a thought, and it is not a feeling, but it is the harmony between these three things. And so I hope that you will keep in mind that this is what we're looking for when we talk about health. I'll be creating a calendar of the advent calendar almost of videos going over 31 or 30 so videos of tips of how to live a more self-care oriented life, therefore having a personal environment of health that moves with you through life's challenges, that helps you take on the aches and pains of how we live and how we can change those things.